Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 Dodge Monaco 500. This one I recorded at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $6,800, which seemed like a pretty good buy to me. But anyway, these Monacos were 500s were pretty rare cars. They only made about 5,200 of them in 1967. And this particular one was special ordered with the 440 Magnum engine. And they all came with the torque flight. Most of them were 383 two barrels. And they had the bucket seat interior. And they were only in the coupe. So they were real nice cars. And this particular one looked to be original. It looked like the original paint to me. I wasn't sure. Didn't say anything in the listing, but was a very nice car, that's for sure. The actual production numbers for the Monaco 500 for 1967 were 5,237. And out of that number, 286 had the 440 cubic inch cop car engine in them, and this being one of those. And they weighed about 4,200 pounds, so they weren't a race car, but were pretty quick for what they were. Wheelbase wise, they had a 121 inch wheelbase, and they were 213 inches long and 80 inches wide. So they were fairly large cars, but definitely a good looking car, that's for sure. And this was at a time when the full-size coupes, personal luxury cars, were the thing. And this one was a nice one. It was definitely a good-looking car, that's for sure. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.